Hi everybody, welcome back. Sister here. Today we'll be starting chapter 6, Lines and Angles, exercise 6.1. In the previous video, we saw an intro to this exercise, a lot of things we discussed. And if you haven't watched it, make sure to do so because that's when you'll understand this exercise better. So let's start then with this exercise. So here goes the first question. In figure 6.13, that is this figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. When we're talking about lines, angles, and everything, we must really look at the figure. That's when we understand everything. Yeah. So AB, lines AB and CD intersect at point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees and angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So here first we should always write what is given. So what is given? AB and CD intersect at O. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. And now we will write what we have to find out. So angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Okay, so if we have to find out this reflex angle, right, we have formula. Like suppose here we have to find out reflex angle COE. We always need to like subtract it from 360 degrees. That is like 360 degrees minus angle COE. So whatever angle COE we find, we need to subtract it from 360 degrees because it's a reflex angle. Okay. So if they ever asked you to find out a reflex angle, you need to substitute 360 degrees minus that angle. So that's when you will get that reflex angle they've asked. Okay, because reflex is obviously to do with 360 degrees, right? Yeah, between 180 to 360. So that's why. Okay. Next. Yes, so next, let's see how do we find out the given. Fine. So we know that AB is a straight line, right? AB is a straight line from the figure. So AB is a straight line. And our OC, ray OC, and we have another ray OE, this ray and this ray. They stand on it, correct? We know that angle AOC, that is this angle, plus angle COE, that is this one, plus angle BOE gives us 180 degrees when we add these three together. Why? Because it's a straight angle, correct? So therefore, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degrees. Now, as given in the question, angle AOC plus angle BOE, when we add it, we will get 70 degrees, right? It's given here, correct? So here we've got 70 degrees plus angle BOE. Okay. So now using this formula, we're going to crack out what is angle BOE. So angle BOE is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees, which gives us 110 degrees. Okay, so we found out what is angle BOE. So the first part of the question, let me highlight the first part. So we found out the first part of the question, right? Yeah. So we found out what that was. Now let's move on to the second part of the question, reflex angle COE. First, let us find out what is angle COE. Okay. Yes. So actually I've made a mistake here, correct? So sorry, I've made a mistake here. See, instead of writing C, I've written B here. It's my mistake. So I'm thinking like, why is there a repeat? So sorry. Yeah, we have already written BOE here. And then now actually we're using that to find angle COE, right? We have to find out angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Now firstly, actually we found out angle COE. Okay. So now let's find out reflex angle COE. So we actually haven't found out angle POE. I'm so sorry. Okay. Reflex angle COE is equal to 360 degrees minus 110, which is equal to 250 degrees. Okay. So now we know that CD is a straight line. CD is a straight line. Yeah. And ray OE and OB stands on it. Therefore, angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD will give us 180 degrees. So let me just point that out in the figure. Angle COE, that is this angle, plus angle BOE, that is this angle, plus angle BOD will give us 180 degrees, right? This whole thing will give us 180 degrees. So therefore, we've got it by the straight angle thing. The brackets you can mention straight angle. Here also you can say straight angle. Okay, so now we know that angle COE is 110 degrees from here, plus angle BOE we do not know, right? What is angle BOE? We do not know. Angle BOD, what is angle BOD? Where is angle BOD? This one. As given in the question, angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. So this is equal to 180 degrees. So 110 plus 40. What is 110 plus 40? 150. 180 minus 150, we get 30 degrees. So therefore, angle BOD is equal to 30 degrees. So we have answered both parts of the question. What is angle BOE? We found out right here. And what is angle? Reflex angle COE. That also we have found out. So this is question number 1. I hope it was clear. Yeah. So now we have the second question. Okay, we have the second question. That is in figure 6.14. That is this figure. Lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degrees and A is to B is equal to 2:3, find C. So given, obviously we have to write first what is given. XY and MN intersect at O. Angle POY is equal to 90 degrees and A is to B is equal to 2:3. Now we have to find C. What is this angle C? Okay, so let's see how to do it. Now firstly, we have A is to B is equal to 2:3. Okay, so let's take the common ratio. Let's take common ratio as x. So therefore, A is to B is equal to 2:3, which will finally be 2x is to 3x, right? So now we know that xy is a straight line, And here since angle POY Now angle POY plus angle POX is equal to 180 degrees, again because it's a straight angle, correct? So we already have here angle POY is equal to 90 degrees. So can I say that this other half should also be 90 degrees, correct? So if I put here angle POY is equal to 90 degrees plus angle POX is equal to 180 degrees. So angle POX will be 180 minus 90, which is nothing but 90. And what is our angle POX? This whole thing, right? Yeah. So yes, so we have angle POX is equal to 90 degrees. Now if we have to split angle POX, that will be nothing but angle POM plus angle MOX, correct? Which is equal to angle POX. So what is angle POM actually? That is nothing but our angle A. And here our angle A is 2x, right? Plus angle MOX, which is nothing but B, and that is nothing but 3x. So can I write that 2x plus 3x is equal to angle POX? Now actually what is our angle POX? 90 degrees. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degrees. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x, which is equal to 90 degrees. X is equal to 90 by 5. 5 ones are 5. And now when we substitute the values, we'll get x as x is equal to 18 degrees. Okay, cool. So let me just, okay, I don't know where to draw a line and solve. Okay, I will solve it here. Okay, never mind, I will solve it here. So I'll write it in a different ink. Yeah. Okay, so x is equal to 18 degrees. We found out what is x. Now what will angle A be? A is equal to 2x, which is nothing but 2 into what is our x? 18 degrees, which is equal to 36 degrees, correct? Now what is B? 3x, which is nothing but 3 into 18, which is equal to 54 degrees, correct? So we found out what is A and B. Now I'll tell you why we found out this A and B. Now look here, in this figure, can I say that as written in the question, x, y and mn intersect at O? They intersect at this point. So can I say that angle C is equal to angle A plus 90 degrees? Can I say that? Why? Because it's vertically opposite angle. This whole angle, this whole angle is vertically opposite to this whole angle, correct? You're able to see in the fact? Yeah. So angle C is equal to angle A plus 90 degrees. This is why I found out angle A, so that we can put in the value of angle A here and find angle C. So angle C is equal to 36 degrees plus 90 degrees. Angle A is nothing but 36 degrees, right? So therefore, angle C is equal to 126 degrees. Therefore, we have found out what is angle C as told to be found in the question. So we have finished our second part. I mean our second question basically. Now moving on to the third question. Okay, fine. So now we have the third question. Let's see what it tells us. So in figure 6.5, that is this figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So what is angle PQR here? This angle, right? Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ as given in the question. So given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. What do we need to prove? Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Where is angle PQS? This angle. One sec. Yeah. This angle is equal to angle PRT. Might be thinking what relation is there or how do we even do this. Let's check on it, guys. Let's check it out. Fine. So now firstly, we know that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ as given in the question, and angle PQS is equal to angle PRT is what we should prove. Here, as you can see, ST is a straight line, correct? ST is a straight line. And ray QP stands on it. Look at the figure when I'm talking about such things. Look at the figure. Ray QP stands on which line? ST, absolutely. So pay attention. Fine. So ST is a straight line and ray QP stands on it. So therefore, angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. Where is angle PQS? This angle plus angle PQR. That means this angle. They form a linear pair, correct? They form a linear pair. So can I say that angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees minus angle PQS? I took this angle PQS to the RHS. So that's why it became minus angle PQS. Fine. So now we found out that angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees minus angle PQS. Now, since PR stands on ST, line ST, fine. So PR, where is PR? This one stands on line ST. So angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degrees. Again, because it's linear pair. Angle PRT, that means this angle. Angle PRQ, this angle. These two together form 180 degrees, correct? Because they're a linear pair. Therefore, now angle PRQ is equal to 180 degrees minus angle PRT. Let's take this one to be equation number 1, this one to be equation number 2. So since it is given that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, can I say that here I will substitute PRQ with angle PQR because it's given. Wait, I'll write it in the brackets. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRT. So instead of angle PRQ, can I substitute angle PQR? And you can do vice versa also. Like instead of, see, suppose you're keeping angle PRQ. Here you can change PQR into PRQ. Since here I've already written PQR, I'm just changing the value here. But you can do vice versa also. It's fine. Okay, so what does this mean? That means that the LHS of both equations are equal, can I say? Yes. So now therefore equating RHS of both equation 1 and 2. What do we have? That is, I'm equating this part and I'm equating this part. Okay, so that means 180 degrees minus angle PQS is equal to 180 degrees minus angle PRT, correct? So here 180 is common on both sides, it will get cancelled. So now the minus sign will also go away. Yes, so angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. What did we have to prove? We had to prove this only, right? Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT, correct? So therefore, thus we have proved it. So thus proved. Okay, so I hope this was clear to you so far. So now I will show you another method by which we can solve this sum instead of doing this similar method only, but this is what I found out by like solving this sum, and even my teachers did it in this way as well. So I will just share with you what I did. Okay, so now let's see this in another method. So firstly, we write what is given. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. To prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. And now here goes the proof. Angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair, right? Angle PQS, this angle, plus angle PQR, that is this angle, is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair. And angle PRT, this angle, plus angle PRQ, that is this angle, is equal to 180 degrees. Again, because it's linear pair, let's take this to be equation number 1. Equation number 2, since RHS is equating 1 and 2, we have, or instead of this statement, you can write from equation 1 and 2. You can just write this as well instead of writing this. Okay, so we have angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. Okay, so do you find anything common here? Now we know that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So can I rewrite this as angle PQR is equal to PRT plus angle PQR? Yes, this PRQ can be converted into PQR because as given. So now these two are common on both sides. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. These two got cancelled. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Thus proved. Okay, so I hope it was clear. Simple thing, right? What we did before, same thing only, but just that I did not bring like this or this to the RHS. I left it on the LHS and I solved it just like that. So this has lesser steps, I would say, but you can go with any method that you feel is easy. That's no problem at all. Okay, so this is the third one. Let's move on to the fourth question. Okay, quickly let's solve it. Right, so which ink do I pick? Yeah, I have purple here. Okay, in figure 6.16, that is this figure, x plus y is equal to w plus z. Proof AOB is a line. We need to prove that AOB is a line. So actually x plus y is equal to y, w plus z is what is given, right? We did not create that. So now let's see how to do it. So looking at this whole figure, can I say that x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degrees? Because it's a complete angle, right? So this whole thing, this whole circle will be equal to 360 degrees. Take it as equation 1. So given that x plus y is equal to z plus w, take this as equation number 2. Fine. So now substitute x plus w as x plus y in equation number 1. Fine. So that means we have, what is our equation 1? X plus y plus z plus w, which is equal to 360 degrees. So that means x plus y is equal to 360 degrees from what we wrote here, right? So now this will be 2x plus 2y is equal to 360 degrees. Take 2 common out. So x plus y is equal to 360 degrees by 2. So x plus y is equal to 180 degrees, correct? So now next is, we found out that, we didn't find out actually, we proved that x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Now since x and y form a linear pair, therefore angle AOB is a line. If it has to be a linear pair, of course it needs to be a line, right? Correct. You can prove it by saying axiom 2 as well, what we studied before it, that if two adjacent angles are adding up to 180 degrees, then the non-common arms will form a straight line, correct? So since x and y form a linear pair, we can say that line AOB is a line. Thus we have proved it. Okay, so this is question number 4. Moving on to question number 5. Don't worry guys, just 2 more questions. Okay, that's it, done. So this is a very, very important question. Question number 5. 100% it can come for exam, or maybe similar type of question can come for your exam, because it did for me in my class test. So it's a very, very important question. Even if we don't get the same type, we'll get a similar type. I'm telling you, such bisector type of questions or proving questions, show that questions, such types of questions are very important. Let's see, if I have time, if I'm able to, I will try to share with you some top important questions after we finish up the syllabus or the portions for term 1. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now in figure 6.17, that is this figure, POQ is a line. Okay, POQ is a line and ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. So prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So given that OR is perpendicular to PQ, so therefore angle POR is equal to 90 degrees, correct? OR is perpendicular to PQ. That means if angle POQ is 90 degrees, this also should be 90 degrees. Why? Again, you can say by linear pair, correct? So now in angle ROP, can I say that angle SOP plus angle ROS is equal to 90 degrees? Or wait, let's write it as angle POR, meaning this angle SOP plus this angle make this complete angle, correct? Make this complete angle. So what is angle POR from here, from above? Angle POR is 90 degrees, correct? So angle SOP plus angle ROS is equal to 90 degrees. Fine. So now angle ROS is therefore equal to 90 degrees. I'm bringing this to the RHS. So minus angle SOP. So let's take this as equation number 1. Now coming to this side, QOS. Okay, so we found out what is equation number 1. Angle ROS is equal to 90 degrees minus angle SOP. Now looking at QOS, angle QOS. Can I say that angle QOS is equal to angle SOR plus angle ROQ? Can I say that? Yeah. So what is angle ROQ actually? What is angle ROQ actually? 90 degrees, correct? 90 degrees. So angle QOS is equal to 90 degrees. So can I say that angle QOS minus this 90 degrees, I'll take it to the LHS, is equal to angle SOR, correct? Now what is angle SOR? This angle. Now what is angle ROS? That is also the same thing. So can I say that, wait. Can I say that this one and this one are the same? Same angle, right? Excuse me. Yeah. So now let's consider this as equation number 2. So can I say that since we have the, like this part of the equation as the same, when I add equation 1 plus equation number 2, what will I get? On the RHS, I will have 90 degrees minus angle SOP plus angle QOS. Where is this? Angle QOS plus 90 degrees, correct? I mean, not plus, it's minus actually, correct? And then here on the LHS, I will have 2 angle ROS because it's all the same, correct? So 90 degrees minus angle SOP plus angle QOS minus 90 degrees is equal to 2 angle ROS. The angle ROS is equal to half of angle. Now look here. Firstly, here we have to do some simplifying work. These two will get cancelled. So when I bring this 2 to this side, it will become half, right? So therefore, angle QOS, this minus angle SOP, I'm just bringing it to this side, minus angle SOP. And can I say angle SOP can be also written as POS? Yes. So therefore, here we go. We have proved it. What did we do this? I'll quickly recap what we did. So firstly, we wrote that angle POR is equal to 90 degrees. Since the linear pair, all these angles together form 180 degrees, correct? So since this is 90 degrees, this should also be 90 degrees. So angle SOP plus angle ROS form angle POR, correct? And what is angle POR? 90 degrees. So angle ROS is equal to 90 degrees minus SOP when we bring SOP to the RHS. This is equation number 1. Next, we moved on to angle QOS. So can I say angle QOS is equal to the sum of angle SOR plus angle ROQ? Yes. So what is angle ROQ? 90 degrees. So can I say that angle QOS is equal to angle SOR plus 90 degrees? Yes. So now then angle QOS minus 90 degrees is equal to angle SOR. Let's take this to be equation number 2. Sorry, my throat is like not in a very good condition. Excuse me, it's normal cough, okay? It's not COVID-19. Okay, so angle QS minus 90 degrees is equal to angle SOR, which is equation number 2. Now equation 1 plus equation 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus angle SOP plus angle QOS minus 90 degrees when I combine equation 1 and 2. And similarly on the LHS, we have 2 angle ROS. When we simplify, we will get it as angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle SOP. So here angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Thus, it is proved. Okay. So nextly, we have the 6th question. This is also yet another very important type of question, guys. Very important, very important, because they can ask you such type of questions. They won't give you the diagram. Okay, they won't give you the diagram in exam, and they can ask you to form the diagram. Sometimes it's very tricky, but it's not very tricky. Okay, try to understand the question. Usually for me, if you talk about me, I will take some time to understand such questions. Like I will brainstorm over it for I think 10-15 minutes, and that's when I understand it. Because actually my class test took place few days ago. not few days ago, just I think day before yesterday or yesterday it took place. So that time we had a similar question, and I took some time to understand that question, but finally I did it correctly and I got full marks in that. Okay, so similarly for you, firstly this would be a new type, so don't be afraid if you're not able to understand or you're not able to get it. Easy, go on yourself, very easy, don't take it hard. As you practice more, you will feel it better. Actually, I'll give you some extra questions after this chapter, okay? Because NCERT is actually not giving you complete, like, all types of extra questions. You need a lot of extra questions practice, my friend, so I will help you out, don't worry. Acha, coming back here, we have, it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information if ray YQ bisects angle XYP. Find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. Pause the video right now and try to draw the figure on your own. Brainstorm over it for at least 5-10 minutes. Not able to get it, come back. Okay, so I'll give you at least 5 to 10 minutes time. Try it out and come back. Okay, right, so I hope you've tried it and you've come back. Now let's see how to do this. Now it's said that XY is produced to point P. What does this word produced mean? Produced means extended. Many of us don't know what does this produce mean as far as mathematics is concerned. Produce means extended to. So that means we have XY. We have XY here, a line XY, which is produced to point P. That means it is extended to point P. Okay, it's extended to point P. XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. Now look here, 64 degrees means it should be lesser than 90 degrees. It should be lesser than 90 degrees, correct? So can I say that 64 degrees should be something like this? Since it's lesser than 90 degrees, it's an acute angle, correct? So it'll be lesser than 90 degrees, so it should be something like this, 64 degrees. Yeah, so angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. Now they've asked us to draw the figure from the given information, and they say that ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. What is angle ZYP? This angle, right? Ray YQ bisects means it divides this angle XYP into two equal halves. So ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Find angle XYQ. So that means this, oopsies. So that means this angle, this whole thing. We need to find this whole thing. That's what they've told us. Okay, so we need to find out that whole thing, plus we need to find out reflex angle QYP. Where is reflex angle QYP? This is just angle QYP, but they've asked us to find out reflex angle QYP. Now, what is the formula I told you to find out a reflex angle? I will again write it down. Reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 degrees minus angle QYP. That means we need to find out what is angle QYP actually, and then we need to find out reflex angle QYP separately. Okay, so now let's see how to solve this. Fine, very interesting question. It's given that I won't take much time on this. Okay, I'll finish it up quickly. Oopsies, I think the figure went as well. I will do it again. Okay, so we need to find reflex angle QYP and angle XYQ. So let's consider QYZ to be angle 2. No, angle 1. Okay, let's consider it to be angle 1 and QYP to be angle 2. Fine. So consider angle QYZ to be angle 1 and QYP to be angle 2. Since QY bisects angle Z by P, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That means this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, keep this in mind. Now, looking at this complete line, so ray QY and YZ stand on straight line PX. Okay, and we know that angle QYZ. Okay, let me write it in order. One sec. Let's say angle QYP plus angle QYZ plus angle ZYX is equal to 180 degrees. Fine. Why? Because it's a straight angle. It's a straight angle. Okay. Then, now that we have got that it is straight angle, substitute all these angle names with the respective angles. Angle QYP is angle 2, correct? Angle 2 plus QYZ is angle 1 plus ZYX is 64 degrees, right? Which is equal to 180 degrees. Now substitute angle 2 as angle 1. See, let's name this as equation 1 from equation 1. So angle 1 plus angle 1 is 64 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, correct? So what is 180 minus 64 degrees, which is equal to 116 degrees. So 2 angle 1, okay, you need to add it and write the angles. That is nothing but 2 angle 1. So now next step is take this 2 to the other side. This will become division thing. So angle 1 will be equal to 58 degrees. Now we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So that means it will be equal to 58 degrees. Sorry for the few seconds delay actually. So now getting back here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, right? So that means if angle 1 is 58 degrees, angle 2 also should be 58 degrees, correct? So what is angle XYQ? Where is XYQ? That means this whole thing. What is angle XYQ? Which is nothing but angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. That means that is angle 1 plus 64 degrees. So what is angle 1? 58 degrees. So 64 plus 58 is equal to 122 degrees. So we have answered the first part, that is find angle XYQ. Second is reflex angle QYP. So that's what we're doing here. Reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 minus QYP, which is nothing but 360 degrees minus 58 degrees. Angle QYP is which one? Angle 2, right? Just now we saw angle 2 is equal to 58 degrees. So 360 degrees minus 58 degrees is equal to 302 degrees. Therefore, reflex angle QYP is equal to 302 degrees. So this is the last question of your exercise 6.1, and we are so done with this exercise. So thank you so much for watching. Next video we will be starting with intro to exercise 6.2. That is also very, very important, so make sure to watch that out whenever it is released. Okay, so thank you guys so much. Have a lovely day ahead. God bless you. Bye.